Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this: the gentle warmth of natural stone beneath your feet, the soft glow of ambient lighting, and the peaceful feeling of stepping into your own outdoor sanctuary. No matter your budget or space, this dream is within reach. Today we're exploring over 100 luxury stone patio ideas that will inspire you to transform your backyard into a stunning retreat. From elegant flagstone to budget-friendly gravel, you'll discover how the right materials and design can create comfort and beauty in any space. Let's begin this journey into your dream outdoor haven. Stone patios are about timeless elegance and lasting beauty. Natural flagstone brings organic warmth and unique character, each piece telling its own story. Pavers offer precision and pattern, creating visual rhythm through thoughtful layout. Gravel provides budget-friendly luxury with excellent drainage and easy installation. Lighting transforms your patio from daytime retreat to evening enchantment. Solar-powered fixtures eliminate wiring costs while creating magical ambiance. String lights cast a canopy of stars overhead. Pathway markers guide your steps safely. These touches extend your enjoyment well into the night. Plantings frame and soften your stone space. Vibrant flowers in pink, purple, yellow, and blue add color and fragrance. Layered perennial borders provide continuous seasonal interest. Ornamental grasses add movement and texture. The right plants make your hardscape feel alive. Comfort is essential. Weather-resistant cushions and coordinating colors invite you to linger. Built-in seating maximizes space in compact yards. Modular arrangements offer flexibility for entertaining or solitude. Your patio should serve your life, not dictate it. The beauty of stone patio design is its adaptability. Rustic flagstone with cottage plantings offers romantic charm. Modern pavers with minimalist plantings create contemporary elegance. Gravel with tropical containers brings resort-style relaxation. Each style speaks to different dreams, different lifestyles. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own stone patio retreat. Do you see organic flagstone nestled in a cottage garden, or sleek pavers with clean lines and architectural plantings? Would you choose the warmth of natural stone, or does your heart lean toward contemporary precision? Do you crave the romance of vintage lanterns and climbing roses, or the simplicity of integrated LED lighting and ornamental grasses? Think about your space, your climate, your lifestyle. Do you have room for deep perennial borders? Or do you need creative vertical solutions? Are you drawn to high-maintenance blooms? Or do you prefer plants that thrive with minimal intervention? There's no wrong answer, only what feels right for you. Imagine stepping onto your transformed patio 1 year from now. The stone has settled beautifully. Plantings have filled in. Lights glow softly in the evening. How does it feel to have created this elegance? Who will you share this space with? What moments will unfold here? Your stone patio vision is waiting to become reality. If these luxury stone patio ideas have inspired you, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat, regardless of space or budget. Each week, we share thoughtful approaches to creating spaces that nurture your well-being and reflect your unique style. Your journey to creating the perfect stone patio starts with a single idea, a single decision to transform your outdoor space. Let us walk this path with you, offering inspiration and guidance as you create the sanctuary you've been dreaming of. Take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. It helps others discover these ideas and join our community of outdoor living enthusiasts. Now, allow these images to inspire your vision of stone patio elegance. Let your imagination wander through these beautiful spaces and notice which details speak to your heart.